Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Chevy Malibu windshield wipers easy guide. Park on level ground, turn off the ignition, lift the wiper arm away from the glass, and unclip the old blade from the pivot. Match the new blade with the wiper arm hook, snap it into place securely, and lower the arm gently to the windshield. Test both wipers with washer, fluid to ensure smooth operation and proper contact. I'll walk through selecting the correct replacement blades and preparing the vehicle. Use the owner's manual or measure the blade lengths before buying. Gather tools like a flat screwdriver and a towel to protect paint while you work. Inspect the wiper arm for corrosion and replace the adapter if needed. When installing, listen for a click and wiggle gently to confirm the blade is locked. Finish by testing in wet conditions. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel and keeps tips coming. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a handy companion while you wrench on your car. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab one. I appreciate every like and comment. They help shape future content. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Learn quick maintenance habits to extend blade life and avoid common errors. Clean the windshield and blade rubber regularly with mild soap and water to prevent streaks and tearing. Avoid using wipers on a dry windshield or removing ice with the blades to prevent damage. Replace blades at the first sign of skipping, noise, or vibration. Small investments in quality blades save time and money. Regular checks before long trips will keep visibility clear and safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.